Hello everyone, welcome to sanamtutorial. Today we are solving mock test 10 for class 6 math annual exam 2024-25. This test focused on chapter construction. If you have not watched mock test 1 to 9, be sure to check them out in the playlist. So let us start the session. So take pen and paper and start. First question, draw a line segment PQ equal to 7 cm. Okay, so first draw a line segment 7 cm and name it PQ. Now by using compass, so more than half, take more than half from PQ and cut. Again cut it on other side of the line segment. Now join the 2 point. Clear? Now join and name it, that is X and Y. Next question, and measure the each part. So measure. So OP is equal to 3.5 centimeter. OQ equal to same 3.5 centimeter. Also remember one short question from this long question, that is perpendicular bisector dash bisect line segment into two equal part, that is perpendicular bisector. All of you clear? Next, draw the line. Okay, first we draw the line and name it PQ. P and Q. Take a point R on it. So first take a point R on it. Draw a line perpendicular. So first draw a arc, name it X and Y. From X and Y take more than half and cut or draw arc. Then join this point or join the RS point. Then this is the perpendicular to the line PQ. Okay, if the question the point outside of the PQ, then you can draw first XP and Q. Then from P draw a reverse arc and name it X and Y. Okay, and join the point. Cut, then join the point. Next, draw the line PQ, take a point M outside in it. Okay, so first draw a line, that is PQ, and take a point outside, that is P, and join the P from the on the point on the PQ, that is M. Now take any radius arc at point M and also P, same arc. Now measure AB and cut it. Now join. Suppose name it X and Y. Now join Y and P. Okay, this is the answer. Next question, we get the angle measure 11.25 by bisecting the angle. So into multiply kar diyo, that is 11.25 degree into 2, that is 22.50 or 22.5 degree or 22.1/2 degree. Next question, can you construct 40 degree by using compass and ruler? No. So also remember which angle you can draw. First of all, 60, 120, 180, then 60 and 180, that is 90. When you bisect 60 and 120, we get 90, and 120, 180, we get 150, and also when you bisect 90, we get 45, then bisect 45, we get 22 half, 150, that is 75. Also you get 75 as 60 and 90 bisect. Okay, and 90 and 120 bisect, we get 105. And also remember 60 half, that is 30, 30 half, 15, 15 half, 7 whole 1/2. Okay, these angle we can draw by using compass and ruler. Now The angle that cannot be constructed, that is 65, because 75 we can draw by using by bisecting the angle 60 and 90. 45 we can draw by bisecting the 90 angle, and 30 we can draw by the bisecting 60 angle. Okay. Now suppose this is a line, we draw a arc. First we cut same arc length, that is 60. This is 60. If you bisect 60, we get 30. More than half, then cross it and we get 30. Okay. And how to 120? Now the first one is 60, then again same length, that is 120. And 60 and 120 we bisect, then we get 90. 90 we bisect, so from this point to this point, when we more than half, then we cross it, then we get 45. This is 90, 120. 120 and 180, when you bisect more than half, then we get 150. This is 150. If 150 and 120 we bisect, then we get 135. 135. We bisect 120 and 90, we get 105. So how we get 105? Actually we take the average, that is 120 plus 90 divided by 2, that is 0 to 11 carry 1, 2 divided by 2, that is 105. Similarly 180 and 135, that is 180 and 120. 180 plus 120 by 2, that is 0, 0, 3 by 2, that is 150. Yes or no? Now 90 and 60 we bisect, we get 75. 75. So 75 we get from 60 to 90, 60 to 90, yes. And 90 we get bisect by 60 and 120. 105 means 120 and 90. 120 to direct. 135 means 120 and 150. 150 means 180 and 120. And 30 means 60 by 2 or 60 bisect. 45 means 90 bisect. 60 to directly. And we get 15, that is 30 bisect. And 22 half, that is 45 bisect. All of you clear? Now so that's end the mock test 10. I hope this session helped you understand the chapter construction and boosted your confidence. Thank you.